So students, next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in this first, I'll write the reaction of this Friedel-Crafts acylation. So here also you are going to take chlorobenzene and acetyl chloride, and this also in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, and here the product will be your ortho product and para product, COCH3, and here also ClCOCH3. So this is orthochloroacetophenone, orthochloroacetophenone, and this one is para chloroacetophenone. Okay, so this is what the reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So now we'll see the mechanism of this reaction. So the mechanism is So in this, so we are going to take acetyl chloride, CH3 C double bond O Cl. Acetyl chloride we are taking. So to this acetyl chloride, what we are going to add? We are going to add aluminium chloride, that is AlCl3. Okay, and here what will be the charge of this aluminum in Friedel-Crafts alkylation also? Yeah, this chlorine is highly electronegative, so this will take the shared pair of electrons towards itself, and the charge will be positive to this aluminum. Okay, here also the same. And here what happens? So chlorine is highly electronegative, and this will take the shared pair of electrons towards itself, and here the charge will be positive. So when you are adding acetyl chloride to this, what happens? So this will attack the electrons. Okay, so here the electrons will attack by this positively charged. Okay, and what will be the product form? It will be AlCl4. Okay, so this is what the product formed. Okay, and here what happens? What happens to this acetyl chloride after giving electrons? After this chlorine had come out from here, what will be the charge of this one? CH3 C double bond O, and the charge will become positive charge. So this will become carbocation, that is positively charged, because it is giving this this chlorine will take the electrons and it will get attacked to this AlCl3, and the charge will be your positive charge. Okay, and this only will act as an electrophile here. This only it acts as an electrophile here. And one more important point in this is it is not stable. This one is not stable. It is unstable, and it is highly reactive. It is unstable, it is not stable, and it is highly reactive. Okay, so here what happens? And one more important point in this is this oxygen will be having two lone pair of electrons. So here this is positive. So this positively charged carbon, it will take this one lone pair of electrons from here, and this one you can write it as a resonance form. So after taking this lone pair of electrons from here, the product will be like this. So this will become triple bond, and here the CH3. Okay, it will be like this. And what will be the charge of this oxygen? It will be positive charge, because it has donated one lone pair of electrons to this carbocation. So its charge will be positive charge. So this is what the resonance form. Okay, so this is the resonance form. So to this, I'll write this form only here. CH3 C O, and this is positive. So this only will react with this chlorobenzene. Okay, this only will react with this chlorobenzene, and whatever H is there in that benzene, I am writing it here. And what happens? So these are the pi electrons. This pi electrons will attack when you're adding chlorobenzene to this pi electrons will attack this oxygen, which is the positively charged. Okay, and then what happens if the attack is like this means, so what will be the product formed here? It will be like, so this chlorine will be here and these two bonds are same, and this hydrogen will be here and this electrons, and here the bond is formed here, and which will get added here, C double bond O CH3. Okay, after the attack of this to this pi electrons, what happens? This is what the product formed. Okay, and what will be the charge here? This will become positive charge. So again what happens? This positive charge will take the electrons from this one. Okay, and to this what we are going to add is the same what we learnt in the previous alkylation, the same. Here I am going to add AlCl4. Okay, so here what happens? This is positive charge. This will take the electrons from here. So this hydrogen will get removed as proton. So this hydrogen will get combined with the Cl and it will form HCl. And what else is remaining? AlCl3. Okay, and what will be the main product here? What will be the main product here? It will be, so this is taking the electrons from here. So the bond will become same. So here this will be chlorine, and here the one product C double bond O CH3 only will be here. So this is ortho product. Similarly, para product also will be formed in this reaction. And why this is called as acylation? Because we are going to add this acetyl group to this benzene, to this halorine. So this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, so here we are taking this acetyl chloride AlCl3. This is highly electronegative and this will become partially positive. This will attack this electrons and it will become AlCl4, and after donating the electrons, this carbon will become positive charge, and this will take the electrons, lone pair of electrons from this oxygen atom, and your resonance structure will be like this. And then what happens? To this only this chlorobenzene will react, and this positive charged form will be attacked by means of pi electrons which is present in the chlorobenzene, and your product will be like this. The bond is formed like this, and here after giving the electrons, this will become positive charge, and this carbon will take the electrons from here, and this will get removed as proton. That H plus will combine with the Cl and it will get removed as HCl, and this AlCl3 will be there, and the product will be Cl C double bond O CH3, which is the orthochloroacetophenone. Similarly, you will get parachloroacetophenone also. So this is what the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation.